In addition to Merit's legacy of products of pipe, valves, fittings, and flanges, Merit also carries an offering of press fittings in carbon, copper, and stainless, known as carbon press, copper press, and stainless press. MeritPress is excited to announce the expansion of our stainless press fitting offering. Stainless press now includes the FKM Fluorelastomer Sealing Element in size ranges from 1/2 inch to 2 inch. The FKM Sealing Element is green in coloring and is synthetically manufactured and peroxide cured. The FKM Sealing Element is for industrial applications. It is recommended for oxidizing acids, oils, hydraulic fluids, chlorinated hydrocarbons, and processed water. It is not for use with ammonia. The FKM Sealing Element retains mechanical properties at elevated temperatures. It has a temperature range of -4 degrees to 356 degrees Fahrenheit, or -20 degrees Celsius to 180 degrees Celsius for fittings and valves. FKM is available upon request, so please contact our sales team at 1-800-726-9800. Did you know that Merit also carries stainless press and EPDM for water applications and HNBR for gas applications? Stainless press fittings and valves can be combined with Schedule 5 or Schedule 10 stainless steel pipe. Each stainless press fitting has a visual indicator press ring known as the VIPR. The VIPR is color-coded to each sealing element. The VIPR makes it easy for the installer to identify any press joints in the system, as the band can easily be removed after the fitting has been pressed. EPDM fittings have a green VIPR, HNBR fittings have a yellow VIPR, and FKM fittings have a white VIPR. Stainless press fittings are certified to IAPMO ANSI CAN Z1117 for press connections, NSF ANSI CAN 61 drinking water system components for health effects, and NSF ANSI CAN 372 drinking water system components lead content. For more information about the FKM stainless press fittings and valves, our other press products known as carbon press and copper press, or other products of Merit, please visit our website at meritpress.com or contact our sales team for your training today at 800-726-9800.